Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a lot of toys inside this box. Now let's open this one. Look at it, it's a squishy toy. So much amazing. Take it out. Let's take the squishy toy out. Oh, she's sleeping. There's a cat. Squishy, squishy. Looks so cool. Now let's open, which one let's open? Let's open these guys over here. Look at it, so cool, right? Oh my god, these are like snakes. Look at it. Look at all of them. Put them here. Now let's open a different one. Okay, now let's pick something else. I'm closing my eyes, guys. Watch. What is this? Look at this! This is a spin ball. Ooh, cool. Now let's put it back here. And look, it could spin like this. Now let's open up. What? Look at this! This is a ball football! Oh, so cool. Look at it. Look at this. Now we're gonna open this. Oh, so cool. What is this? Ooh, look at this, guys! So cool, right? These are like something. These are unicorn stuff. Check it out. See what they are. Ooh, they're like turtles or something. This is a T-Rex. Look at this, even stretchy. Ooh, 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 ee. Check this one too. Now, so good. Look at this. This is a squishy boy toy. Let's open it up. Whoa, that's amazing. Look how sounds it makes. Cool squishy toy. Oh, this is a basketball. Come back here. Look at it. It's nice and squishy, kind of. What is this? Small baby toy. Look at it. So cool. Oh, I gotta close my eyes. I found it. Look at it. So cool. Right? Right, guys? So cool. Let's see if it's a squishy toy. Squish, squish. Look at it. There's a cat. Like this one. This one's sleeping. This one's awake. Squish. Put this next to one. Whoa! Look at this. This is a tree. This is a puppet toy. Let's pop it. So cool. Open. Guys, look at this. This is a stretchy thing. So cool, right? Put that here. Look at this thing. It makes every shape you want to make. Cool. Now let's see this. Look at this guy, boing, boing, boing. It's so bouncy, right? And look, it even has a happy face. See, a plane comes. Looks so cool. Watch this. Oops, got stuck. That's okay. Ooh, what is this? Cool. Let's see what is this. Ooh, long watch puppet. This. A duck. A duck car. Look at it, so cool. Quack, 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 quack. Ready, set, go. She comes, she comes. Oh, she will keep moving around. Ooh, this is so cool. Put it here. Now, oh, the guys, look, this is a spin thing. So spin, so cool. Spiky ball. Out, wait. Let her stay here. What we have allows into. Ooh, look at this, so cool. This is a spin thing. Look at it. What is this? Buck, 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 buck. Ooh, what is this? Cool. Look at it. Let's open it and check what is it, right? Oh, look at it, guys. It moves around, right? Cool. Oh, we have a ball here. Boing. Look. Boing, 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 boing. I think I know what is this. Look at it. What's a ball? Look at this. You could play with it, so fun. Oh, I went on blue side. Just need to go on hard place. Down to the bottom, and I'm already to the bottom. Now let's open up this toy. Look, so cool, so cool. Look at these. These are two spiky balls here. Ow. Now look at this. It's for your finger, I think. Put it here. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this, so cool. Pink color. Red color. So cool, right? You have a ball here. Now open this one. See what it is. So cool. Look at it. Squish. She's sticky. Uh-oh, fell down. We have these stuffs here that I already showed you guys. This is the chicken that was the chicken here. Now let's open this one up. Sleeping. Oh, open it. So cool. Not sticky. Sleeping too. Now see, this is a puppet. Open it. A watch puppet. It's kind of rainbow. There's 2 sides to put one. And I think we have 2. inside. Then make side. Look at it, it's a watch. So cool. See you next time. I hope you like the channel, but don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.